Assalamu alaikum class, this is Aksa Hanif. I hope so that you all will be fine and in good health and enjoying your classes and enjoying your learning and test. So today we are going to start your number 4, that is environmental pollution. In this unit we will read about the pollution, that what is the pollution, how many types of pollutions are there, what are the main sources of pollution, and what will be the harmful effects, what will be the remedies. And in this chapter we will see about all the things related to pollution. So first of all we shall start our topic with the moral lesson. The moral lesson is the best way to predict your future is to create it. Now what they are saying in the moral lesson, they are saying that you can build your own future. You can build your own future by doing hard work, by doing great effort. You can do anything you want in your life. So build your own future, do hard work, that whatever you want to do, you can get all the things you want to do in your futures. Fine. Okay ji. Our topic is that what is pollution. Pollution होती क्या है? Pollution is to that you know that we can say it आलूदगी. ठीक है, हम इसको आलूदगी भी कहते हैं. So you will see in this unit that what is the pollution in this topic. So what is pollution? Pollution is addition of something in our living environment which degrades and damages to living organisms. Okay ji, first of all you know that our technology has improved very well, that it is going great and great developments in our factories, in our different types of technologies, and you know that these technologies have very benefits in our life, like mobiles are there, computers are there, laptops are there. So these all are very beneficial for us, but in that case these also have adverse effects in our life. So the one of the effect is pollution. It creating a lot of pollution in our environment. Due to that thing our environment is spoiling day by day. So pollution is addition of something, that living organisms use different types of plastic bag, tin cans and different types of things, that our atmosphere is even getting worse due to pollution, due to the things which organisms are creating, organisms are adding in our pollution in our environment. So it also damages our living organism. ये क्या करते हैं बेटा, living organisms की लाइफ को भी डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओके जी. द एडिशन थिंग इज कॉल्ड कंटामिनेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज़ कंटामिनेशन? कंटामिनेशन क्या होती है बेटा? आलूदा चीज़ें. ठीक है, दैट विच आर लाइक हार्मिंग टू अवर environment, that is known as contamination. Like contamination is mostly man-made things. Contamination is mostly man-made things. Like for example you can say that different types of plastic bags, tin cans, and these type of things are contaminants, right? Okay ji. Now in other words we also say that pollution is introduction of contaminants into the natural environment. Natural environment is there, but due to human beings they are creating different types of contaminants like plastic bags, tin cans and choppers, and like these all things are adding in our environment. Due to that thing we can also say that pollution is introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that causes adverse change. Adverse meaning is manfi, like harmful change, right? Due to that thing like our different types of changes are coming in the environment. So you can see that changing, like there is more and more pollution in the air, like smoke is worse and you feel different types of diseases, airborne diseases taking place. So these all the diseases are also due to pollution. Now there are different forms of pollutions are there, like pollution can be in different form, like in the form of energy, in the form of noise, in the form of heat, in the form of light, or in the form of chemical substances. ठीक है, pollution किसी भी form में हो सकती है. Like for example it is in the form of energy. Energy mean like noise, बहुत ज़्यादा शोर होना, जब like whenever you go to school and you come home back, or whenever you move out from your home, then you see that there is many noise at the road, at the streets, that your ears like even block. So this is also the form of pollution, like heat is there and a light is there. and different chemical substances like carbon dioxide and different substances are like increasing day by day. So they are have harmful effects on our environment, in our life, in our different types of things. ओके जी. नाउ व्हाट आर पोल्यूटेंट्स. पोल्यूटेंट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? द पोल्यूटेंट्स आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन. पोल्यूटेंट्स मीन लाइक द थिंग्स विच क्रिएट पोल्यूशन दैट आर नोन एज पोल्यूटेंट. ठीक है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? पोल्यूटेंट्स कहते हैं. दे कैन बी आइदर फॉरिजन. फॉरिजन मीन लाइक कहीं बाहर से आना किसी चीज़ का, लाइक नेचुरली अकरिंग भी हो सकते हैं और फॉरिजन भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, अच्छा जी. नाउ पोल्यूटेंट्स आर लाइक मेनली दे आर नेचुरली अकरिंग सब्सटेंसेस. ठीक है, आप इसको कहते हो दे आर नेचुरली अकरिंग सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं. ठीक है, आपने बेटा यहाँ पे दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वन थिंग हेयर, लाइक व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन contamination and what is the difference between pollutant. Like you will not mix these two terms. Contamination is that like which is man-made things, like tin cans are there, plastic bags are there, they are the man-made things like which are polluting our environment. But pollutants are mostly naturally occurring substances. Like pollutants are mostly naturally occurring substances, like for example carbon monoxide is there, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, lead, even carbon dioxide are there. So they are all the naturally occurring environment. They have different effect in our life, in our health. As due to these chemicals, due to these pollutants, like our health is becoming down. It causes mainly lung cancer and different types of diseases. Now what is the greatest problem? Right, the greatest problem in our earth, in our planet is environmental pollution. Like our air is also contaminant, our soil is also contaminant, and our water is also contaminant. So like pollution and pollutant and contaminants are like making our water, our air, our land, all the things pollutant. ठीक है, ये सारे मिलके हमारी environment को, हमारे water को, हमारी air को like आलूदा कर रहे हैं. दे आर मेकिंग पोल्यूटेंट. ठीक है, उसको आलूदा कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वन इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन नावर डेज. ठीक है, ये एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. राइट, ओके जी. Environmental pollution is one of the greatest problem. You will remember this, that if anyone asks from you that what is the greatest problem nowadays, you will say that environmental pollution is greatest problem nowadays. Fine, till here got it? If not, then tell to me. I will resolve your all the issues, then we will move towards next. Right, okay ji, fine. I will tell you that till now what I have told you. I have told you that what is pollution, and then I have told you that what are contaminant, then I have told you that what are pollutants, then I have told you the greatest problem. Like 4 things I have told you till now. Now moving towards the next, what are the main sources of pollution? There are 2 main sources of pollution. You will remember that one is the point source pollution, and the number 2 is non-point source pollution. Right, one is the point source pollution and number 2 non-point source pollution. Fine, got it? If not, then tell to me. Okay, you will not sit quietly. Right, okay ji. Now we shall start about the point source pollution. Point source pollution is also known as, like, its abbreviation is PS. You can also say that what is the PS, right? You will not be like confused that what is